welcome back to my podcast. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Today's topic is very important and very popular. Why do we need to learn English language? Many people ask this question. They say, English is difficult. Do I really need English in my life? Today, I want to answer this question in a simple way. So I will talk slowly so you can listen and learn at the same time. Let's begin. Number 1. English is a global language. English is called a global language. This means people from many countries use English to communicate. People speak different language in the world, but English is a common language. When people from Japan, Germany, Thailand or Brazil meet, they often use English to talk. English helps us share ideas, ask questions, understand each other. Because of English, the world feels smaller and closer. Number 2, English helps when we travel. Traveling is exciting, but it can be scary too. English makes traveling easier. With English, you can check in at the airport, ask for direction, order food at restaurants. Talk to hotel staff also. You don't need perfect English. Simple words are enough. When you can speak English, you feel more comfortable and safe when traveling. Number 3. English is important for jobs and career. English is very important in today's job market. Many companies use English for emails, for meetings, for documents. If you can speak English, you can get a better job. You can work with foreign companies. You can work online or abroad. English gives you more choices. More choices mean a better future. Number 4. English helps us learn new things. Most information in the world is in English. Many books, websites, online courses, research papers are written in English. If you understand English, you can learn anything you want. Programming, business, cooking, health, self improvement. English opens the door to knowledge. Number 5. English and the internet. The internet uses English a lot. YouTube videos, podcasts, blogs, and social media are often in English. When you learn English, you understand more videos, you can follow international creators, you can share your ideas with the world. English helps your voice reach more people. Number 6. English helps us make friends. English helps us meet new people. You can talk with people from other countries, make international friends, share cultures and stories. Language-based connection. English helps us connect with the world. Number 7. English-based confidence. At first, speaking English is scary. Making mistakes feels uncomfortable. But mistakes are part of learning. Every time you speak English, you become stronger, you become braver, you become more confident. Confidence grows with pride. Number 8. You don't need perfect English. Many people stop learning because they want perfect English. But perfect English is not necessary. Simple English is powerful. The goal is communication, not perfection. Progress, not fear. Speak slowly, make mistakes, keep going. Conclusion. So, why do we need to learn English? Because English connects us to the world, helps our career or study, pays confidence, gives us more opportunities. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Small steps every day are enough. Thank you so much for listening today. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode. Take care and keep learning English.